Good morning to everybody. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungoweketelo. So as you can see, I'm at a guest house somewhere in Gauteng. So I've been here for the whole from Friday actually. So yeah, a client of mine booked me into this place. So yeah, we've been working the whole weekend, but at the end of the day, this is where I am. I've been for the past 3 days. So this is a facilitator and also mentor on a Thanksgiving. So yeah, so it's a full place if you guys want to book it, and for meeting, conferences and all of that. It's a beautiful place. Okay, no relax and for the peace. I love the peace in this place. So yeah. Before I start with today's video, I just want to mention this. We're going to talk about validations, spiritual validations and confirmations, because in most cases we tend to misunderstand what validations are all about, okay? But before I start there, I just want to thank the family of Gajiane and Gaskosane for their hospitality. Since we came here from Friday, it's been great, guys. I felt like home, because also in me, owenzile umsebenzi, the way I'm received by families, and the way makes the work even easier for me to do whatever that I'm supposed to do as well. So yeah, but guys, I'm really grateful for that family hospitality, and that's what we want. So yeah, they just took it in your pumula and so yeah. I think I wanted to say that kakhulu. So esingishilo ke lo bengula umzilikazi kamashobane nogasakazi kodwa izgodwa kamkhatshwa okhatshwe ngezindi inyawo neimfushazana. Yeah, so spiritual validations, guys. A lot of times people will think a validation should be nothing. You want to see a validation with your natural eye, and you are doing spiritual things. It doesn't work like that. Uphahlo moya, guys. Ama validations wakhona awumoya wona itself. So you need to understand ukuthi ukuvalidate kanjani. So what is a validation? Ne? The action of making or declaring something official. That's validation. Because a lot of clients would ask me, so gogo ngibona kanjani ukuthi into engiyenzile yamukelekile, guys, and you're expecting big things. When you do something within that short period that you are doing it or preparing for it, validations are always there. It's just that asikwazi ukubona ukuthi now this is a validation saying siya confirm kuwe ukuthi this is going well or you on the right track. So in most cases sifuna ukuyibona ngento enkulu. You cannot expect ama results when to spiritual to be physical. Akusebenzi kanjalo. So I think there's a lot of misunderstanding when it comes to that. Ukuthi sifuna ukuyibona ngamehlo enyama kodwa siyenzanga lento lena awuyitholanga ngamehlo enyama, right? I always say this, let spiritual things be spiritual things, and let physical things be physical things. Ungabi because you're going to be lost if uzofuna ama results ngendlela ethize uyenze ngendlela ethize. So I just wanted to mention that, guys. Validations are always there. As we started, I think we started from Friday, guys. The weather itself was a validation because it's been drizzling. So today, so meaning everything went great. Today, it's just going to be a celebration. Formalities are done. So those are validations that you look for. You look for signs, even if we are in you look for signs. Not something big, because remember I said our space ayisebenzi njengeyobungoma. Maybe if wenze something, then you would expect isikhwama or this. Ours doesn't work like that. So ours work differently from le yasebungomeni. So uphehlo lomoya, guys, awuzukuthola ama-validations afana nangale of physical things. Yes, sometimes you get lucky enough to get physical things, because I've got clients who've sent me pictures ukuthi gogo ngihambile ngaye emanzini, and as I was done with whatever that I was doing, then kwaqhamuka into and then it disappeared. Uzubone iyaqhamuka and it disappears, because eyomoya lento, you are just supposed to see it as a validation for that period of time. So stop looking for validations. You will never get it back yemali. You will never get it back yemali uyithole ihlele endlini dining room as a validation. So yeah, that's all I wanted to teach you for today. I'm not going to make this long, but yeah, as I said, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. You know the whole lot. Also, I do want to mention this because I think it's misunderstood a lot. My contact numbers that I send to you guys are only for consultation inquiries. Please, stop sending me messages of life. I said if we went to consultation, you don't tell umuntu oyoconsulta naye indaba yakho, yena fanele atshele wena. Your ancestors have to work for you, not you work for them. Because then how am I going to reach out to them if when I saw umsebenzi by yourself? So please guys, ningathumeli itori guys. Let me see the stories, not you. Yeah, so it's a beautiful place. I don't know, you want to see my background? It's nice, guys. It's nice. It's a place nje ungafika uhlalela uphumule and get your peace kancane nje. So yeah, we've enjoyed the weekend, and as in Shilo, we are grateful to the Giannes and the Skosanas for hosta. Yeah, nomsebenzi wabo hambe kahle kakhulu. As I return home, I hope basala nalabantu engibalethile, the light that I brought to them, I hope it stays with them. But ngibonge kakhulu nje kubo, and even with the people that are still booking, guys. I know my waiting period is very long. Please do forgive me. Somebody sent me a message, but your angabengazi ukuthi waiting period yakho for rituals is this long. Please do forgive me, guys. Umsebenzi, as I always say, ngowekhethelo mina, I don't work like any other healer works, so do forgive me about that. Yeah, but again, I think it's advisable that you book your ritual earlier. Uzvele date and confirm it, so that ungeze uyithola uyothola ritual ngo 2024. But nevertheless ke masifikile sizofika senze. I know I've opened an option of traveling to places for ama cleansing rituals. So yeah, that option is opened. However, ngizobheka distance and a lot of things, you understand. Some people unfortunately will have to travel from other provinces to me, and with some I will travel myself to their places. It would depend on the situation and would depend on the circumstances and your ancestral spirits and your spirit guides that are working with you, because remember that we get guidance from them, net directive from them. Ngiyanithanda nonke guys, and I hope you do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.